How to use Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment in stores. Welcome to the dawn of the cryptocurrency age, a transformative period in the global financial hierarchy. Around 10 years ago, in 2008, an individual or a group known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency. This marked a significant shift towards a new way of comprehending and dealing with money. Bitcoin was not just a new form of currency, it symbolized a novel financial digital asset offering a decentralized peer-to-peer transaction system. This meant no administrative body, such as a government or a financial institution, could impact or interfere with it. The blockchain technology backing Bitcoin ensured all transactions were transparent, secure, and swift. Jumping to 2015, the world got introduced to Ethereum, another crucial player in the crypto field. While Bitcoin functioned primarily as a digital currency, Ethereum expanded the possibilities of blockchain by incorporating smart contracts. These self-executing contracts, with the agreement's conditions directly written into the code, opened up endless opportunities for applications beyond financial transactions. These two powerhouses, Bitcoin and Ethereum, set the groundwork for the thousands of cryptocurrencies we see today. Their entry into the global financial system has been anything but quiet, marked with dramatic price fluctuations, heated debates, and even regulatory scrutiny. However, despite the turmoil, they've held their ground and are slowly gaining acceptance in our life. Presently, a growing number of merchants and businesses are accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies as payment. This shift is not merely about adopting technology. It's about providing more security, speed, and convenience in transactions. Indeed, cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing financial transactions, one block at a time. But what exactly are these cryptocurrencies, and how do they work? Cryptocurrencies, in essence, are digital or virtual currencies that employ cryptography for enhanced security. They are powered by an innovative technology known as blockchain. A blockchain is like a digital ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any one entity, like a bank or government. Instead, it's spread across countless computers worldwide. The beauty of this technology lies in its transparency and security. Every transaction is visible to everyone within the blockchain network, yet it's incredibly secure. How so, you ask? Well, because once a transaction is recorded and verified, it can't be altered or tampered with. This not only provides a high level of security, but also helps to prevent fraud and double spending. Now, let's talk about mining. In simple terms, mining is the process of validating and recording transactions on the blockchain. Miners, who are members of the blockchain network, use their computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve these problems, they validate a block of transactions, which is then added to the blockchain. But where do cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum come into play? These are rewards given to miners for their efforts. Once a block is validated, the miner or miners responsible receive a certain amount of that cryptocurrency as a reward. This is how new units of cryptocurrency are introduced into the system. To sum it up, cryptocurrencies operate in a decentralized ecosystem. Transactions are made with minimum processing fees, allowing users to evade the steep fees charged by traditional financial systems. And because of the security and transparency of blockchain technology, there's little risk of fraud or tampering. In this digital age, cryptocurrencies are not just a trend or a quick way to make a buck. They represent a shift in how we think about and handle money. With their decentralized nature, they provide a level of control and security that traditional banking systems often can't match. So cryptocurrencies are not just digital assets, they are a revolution in the making. Now, we know what cryptocurrencies are and how they work, but how do they fit into our everyday transactions? Imagine this, you're at your favorite online store, browsing through a collection of handcrafted watches. You found the perfect one. It's stylish, unique, and just screams you. You click on Buy Now, and then you see it. The option to pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum. No need for credit cards, no need for bank transfers. Just a simple, straightforward cryptocurrency transaction. This isn't a futuristic scenario. It's happening right now. More and more merchants and companies are embracing cryptocurrencies as a valid form of payment. And why wouldn't they? With cryptocurrencies, they can reach a global customer base without the need to worry about exchange rates or international banking fees. Take a small business owner in Argentina, for example. By accepting cryptocurrencies, she can sell her handmade leather goods to a customer in Japan, without having to navigate the complexities of international banking. The transaction is direct, peer-to-peer, no middlemen involved. This not only simplifies the process, but also significantly reduces transaction fees. But it's not just about cost and convenience. Cryptocurrencies also offer a level of transparency that's hard to match with traditional forms of payment. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger that's virtually impossible to tamper with. This provides a sense of security and trust for both the merchant and the customer. And let's not forget about speed. Cryptocurrency transactions can be processed almost instantly, regardless of where the buyer and seller are located. No more waiting for bank transfers to clear, no more delays due to public holidays or weekends. With cryptocurrencies, the world truly becomes a 24/7 marketplace. So the next time you're shopping online or at a physical store, don't be surprised if you see the option to pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. It's not a gimmick. It's not a fad. It's a new way of doing business in a connected digital world. Cryptocurrencies are not just for investment. They are becoming a part of our shopping experiences too. One might wonder, how secure are these cryptocurrencies? Well, let's dive right into it. Cryptocurrencies, by design, are inherently secure. They leverage advanced cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This is, in fact, where they get their name, crypto, from cryptography, the art of solving or writing codes. One of the key security features of cryptocurrencies is encryption. When you make a transaction, it's encrypted. This means it's transformed into a code that only a computer with the correct decryption key can read. It's like sending a letter in a locked box, and only the recipient has the key. This protects your transaction information from hackers and prying eyes. But the security doesn't stop there. Cryptocurrencies are also resistant to counterfeiting. Unlike physical currencies, which can be duplicated or forged, each cryptocurrency unit is unique and cannot be copied. This is because each transaction is recorded on a public ledger, known as a blockchain. The blockchain is maintained by a network of computers, making it nearly impossible to alter past transactions or create fake ones. Now, let's talk about keys. In the world of cryptocurrencies, there are two types of keys, private and public. Your public key is like your email address. It's what people use to send you cryptocurrencies. Your private key, on the other hand, is like your email password. It's what you use to access and manage your cryptocurrencies. Keeping your private key safe is crucial to protecting your cryptocurrency assets. Of course, no system is perfect. Cryptocurrencies are still vulnerable to scams, fraud, and human error. That's why it's important to stay informed, stay cautious, and use reliable platforms. So, to answer the question, how secure are cryptocurrencies? They're designed to be highly secure, with features like encryption, resistance to counterfeiting, and the use of private keys. However, their security also relies on careful handling and user awareness. Cryptocurrencies offer a level of security that is hard to match in the traditional banking system. Their unique features make them a compelling choice for those seeking a secure means of transaction. Apart from security, what other advantages do cryptocurrencies offer? One of the key benefits that cryptocurrencies bring to the table is the speed of transactions. And we're not just talking about a slight increase in pace. We're talking about the ability to send and receive payments almost instantaneously, regardless of the amount involved or the geographical location of the sender and receiver. In traditional banking systems, transactions often take time. There's a waiting period. Domestic transfers can take a couple of hours, while international ones can take days. Banks and other financial institutions need to verify the transaction, check the integrity of the funds, and ensure that everything is in order. This process, while necessary for security reasons, makes transactions slow and sometimes cumbersome. But in the world of cryptocurrencies, things work differently. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies means that transactions are verified by a network of computers spread across the globe, not by a single central authority. This network, or blockchain as it is often called, works round the clock, verifying and recording transactions. As a result, transactions can be processed in a matter of minutes, sometimes even seconds, regardless of the amount or the geographical location. Imagine you're in New York, and you need to send money to someone in Tokyo. With traditional banking methods, this would take time and incur fees. But with cryptocurrencies, you could send the money instantly with minimal fees. That's the power of cryptocurrencies. This speed of transactions is not just convenient, it's transformative. It opens up possibilities for global commerce that were previously unthinkable. It allows businesses to operate seamlessly across borders. It empowers individuals, giving them control over their money and enabling them to transact globally without the need for intermediaries. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the world truly becomes a global village. Transactions that once took days now take minutes. Payments that were once bound by geographical boundaries are now free to flow wherever they're needed. This is the power and the promise of cryptocurrencies. This is the future of finance. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the world truly becomes a global village. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrencies? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. We see a landscape of potential growth, but it's not without its rocky terrain. As we move forward, we can expect to see an increase in the acceptance of cryptocurrencies. More and more businesses, large and small, are beginning to recognize the value of these digital currencies. They offer quick, secure transactions and open up new avenues for global commerce. But as cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, they also attract the attention of regulatory bodies. Around the globe, governments are grappling with how to handle this new form of currency. Some are embracing it, while others are more cautious. This could lead to a patchwork of regulations, making it more challenging for businesses and consumers to navigate the crypto space. Yet, despite these potential obstacles, the future of cryptocurrencies is anything but bleak. In fact, it's quite the opposite. We're likely to see the emergence of more cryptocurrencies, each offering unique features and benefits. This could lead to a more diversified crypto market, providing consumers with a wider range of options. However, with more options comes more complexity. Consumers will need to become savvier, understanding not just the basics of cryptocurrencies, but also the nuances of each coin. It's a learning curve, but one that could lead to greater financial freedom and choice. Additionally, technological advancements will continue to shape the future of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, is still in its infancy. As it matures, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for this technology, potentially revolutionizing not just the financial sector, but other industries as well. In essence, the future of cryptocurrencies is a dynamic one. It's a world of potential, filled with opportunities for growth and innovation. But it's also a world that will require careful navigation, as we balance the benefits of this new form of currency with the need for regulation and consumer education. The future of cryptocurrencies looks promising, but like any innovation, it comes with its own set of challenges. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discussed today. We've covered quite a bit of ground, haven't we? We journeyed from the dawn of cryptocurrencies, exploring the initial concept and how it has blossomed into a significant part of our financial landscape. Remember when we discussed the advent of cryptocurrencies? We delved into the birth of Bitcoin and Ethereum, two digital currencies that have revolutionized our understanding of money. They've created a new realm of possibilities, breaking the chains of traditional financial systems and offering a democratic alternative where the power is distributed among the masses. We then moved on to understanding cryptocurrencies in depth. We discussed the blockchain technology that underpins these digital assets, ensuring transparency and security while facilitating peer-to-peer transactions. We also discovered how cryptocurrencies are mined, created, and stored. Our discussion then shifted to cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. We explored how more and more merchants and companies are accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies for the purchase of goods and services. This is not a mere fad, but a significant shift in how we conduct transactions, with cryptocurrencies offering a level of security and speed that traditional forms of payment struggle to match. Speaking of security, we dug deep into how cryptocurrencies offer robust protection against fraud and theft. With every transaction recorded on a public ledger and the use of cryptographic techniques to secure these transactions, cryptocurrencies provide an unparalleled level of security. We also touched upon the speed of transactions. Remember how we discussed that with cryptocurrencies, you can send and receive funds almost instantaneously, regardless of where you are in the world? This speed, coupled with the security, makes cryptocurrencies a viable and attractive option for conducting transactions. Finally, we looked into the crystal ball to explore the future of cryptocurrencies. We talked about the potential for widespread adoption and how cryptocurrencies could become a mainstream method of payment. We also pondered on the challenges that lie ahead, such as regulatory issues and market volatility. Cryptocurrencies are more than a trend. They are a new way of conducting transactions, offering greater security and speed, and they are here to stay. They have already begun reshaping our financial landscape, and their impact will only continue to grow. So, whether you're a merchant, a consumer, or simply a curious observer, it's essential to understand and embrace the world of cryptocurrencies. After all, the future is digital, and cryptocurrencies are a significant part of that future. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding cryptocurrencies today can equip you for a financially secure tomorrow. And with that, we wrap up our journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is vast and ever-evolving. There's always more to learn, so stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. Cryptocurrencies are more than a trend. They are a new way of conducting transactions, offering greater security and speed. And they are here to stay.